Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Roblox password without an email or phone number. First, understand that Roblox's official recovery process relies on verified contact information. If you don't have access to the email or phone linked to your account, you cannot use their standard password reset tools. This means we need to explore other avenues to potentially retrieve your login details. We'll look at where your computer might have stored this information. Your web browser, like Chrome or Firefox, often saves passwords to make logging in easier. You can access these saved credentials through your browser settings. Navigate to the autofill or password section to see a list of all stored logins. If you previously opted to save your Roblox password on that specific device, it should appear there. This is the most common way to recover a password without direct account access. Beyond your primary browser, think about other devices you've used to play Roblox. Perhaps an old phone, tablet, or another computer still has you logged in or has the password saved. Sometimes, a family member might have saved the login information on their device. If these options don't work, contacting Roblox support directly is possible, but without an email or phone number for verification, their ability to assist is significantly limited. To prevent future lockout issues, it's crucial to link an active email address and phone number to your Roblox account. This allows you to easily reset your password if you ever forget it. Additionally, enabling two-step verification adds an extra layer of security, protecting your account from unauthorized access. Remember, strong, unique passwords are your first line of defense. Also, check the description for a link to some great leak-proof meal prep containers and other helpful deals. Stay safe online.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.